Good morning, welcome to Nifty prediction. My name is Narendran. To join my WhatsApp group, I'm charging 1000 rupees per month. You will get advanced prediction details as well as calls in the group. This video only for educational learning purpose. If you want to buy anything, please consult your financial planners and then buy. Let's go to the prediction for Thursday. The data is very much bearish, showing all indications are downside. But we yesterday also told we have two targets in the positive side, which is maximum 16,808 and 16,808 and 16,765. This target might have the chances to hit today because of US market went 4% up yesterday, so that the reflection might have seen today, but the data very much is in the bearish. So after reaching this two level, if it is high matching, then the market might have chances to fall down, so that hero zero call put option can buy, or you can buy in the August month contract put option and wait for the bearish. Even if it is falls on today, even it might go 200 points negative, but still you must have to keep as a hero zero, because our positive average itself shows somewhere around 16,828. So up to this level it has potential, minimum potential to go. If it is bullish, take control. If it goes beyond that, even 459, which is 17,101 also possible, because normally the average level which shows that it has potential. If the bullish taking strong control, it might go to that level, but still the high is matching between these two, these ranges, 16,788, those ranges. If the high is matching within 3-point range, that is what we used to call it as a perfect range. For example, I'll explain you why, how it is works. For this is minus 3 point in this particular level, which is minus 3 points, which is 16,778. so that is where in between these, from here to this, in between, if the high is matching with a stop loss of 10 points, which is plus 10 points. So in between these levels, if the high is matching, so 16,778 to 16,791, in between, if the high is matching, then the market might have the chances to fall. This formula will be applicable to all the levels. So 3 point in the minus and 3 point in the plus. So this is for the selling. So if buying means add 3 points and subtract 10 points. If buying level means any level, you can subtract 3 points and add, you can add 3 points, and subtract 10 points. This is for the buying. So typically the formula is the same. Any levels you can buy and sell according to the level. For example, if you go for a buy in this level, this is the level we need to watch out. If the low is matching in between these data for this particular level, which is 16,611, which is perfect range, and stop loss range 10 points, below 10 points. So in between these levels, if the low is matching, means we can buy. So this is the method which we are following. So if the market is matching those levels, then it has potential to fall down. So we need to watch out from the positive average level to these, even these levels also we can watch out the high. And the high is matching in anything in between, because there is no much big difference, around 50 points. All those resistance levels are there. So in those 50 points, if the high is matching, then the Nifty having the potential to fall. Only if it is breaking this key level, which is 16,828 plus 10 points, which is 16,838, is breaking, then only further bullish will take control. Otherwise the market is having high potential to fall down because all indications are showing bearish. But once if it is breaking this key level, because the pivot is there around 16608, this has to break, and then volatile level to 16,598. These two levels must have to break, then only the further downside will take place, which is stop loss of 10.16568. So minus 10 points we need to keep stop loss. So if that particular level is breaking from this level, then only further downside will happen. Otherwise the market is having potential to recover as well. So we need to play much more cautiously today. It is not going to be easy, but the data is showing very much potential to fall down up to bearish open target level, which is 151 points, having potential to fall, because this is the 80% day target. Normally we used to call it, if pre-opening is in the negative, this particular target will hit, but today the pre-opening is not in the negative, because right now the Nifty is showing some 190 points gap up possible. But I would like to point out, yesterday we given a call, this is the target which we are focusing, that exactly that is where the low, the Nifty kept around 1 point perfect range, and then started to move up towards to positive. Exactly that is what the low is as well, because in our video we given this particular level as a target as well. So you can check my previous video, we given that particular target as well. So right now the data is showing a bit bearish, but pre-opening might open in the positive 90 100 points. Only key point is 130 points. Anything gap up opens means we need to play much more cautiously, because the market having potential to go further bullish. If anything pre-opening is less than 130, which is anything 129 like that, if pre-opening anything below pre-opening like that, means it might go towards to positive, but later stage it will fall down towards to negative side. That is what the data is showing. So we need to keep one small hero 10 points also having potential to go 100 150 like that. But it is 0 0, you must have to take, because sometimes it might not go. Let's see how the market is going to give us on Thursday. The data very much